I've been seeing a lot of hate videos about Hamza Ahmed. People are trying to slander his name, calling him toxic, arrogant, or fake. But you know what? I never heard anyone talking about the positive impact he's had on everyone's lives. So I decided I'll be the first one to do it. Because Hamza has helped me in ways that go beyond YouTube or motivation. Just a few years ago, I was lost, no direction, no purpose. Every day felt the same. Scrolling, gaming, wasting time, chasing cheap dopamine hits. That made me feel good for the first few seconds, but left me feeling empty after. I know deep down I could be more, but I had no clue where to start. Then one random night I came across this guy called Hamza Ahmed. At first I thought he was just another self-improvement YouTuber, but then I watched one of his videos and everything started to click. Hamza didn't just talk about motivation, he He spoke the truth, and the truth hit me harder than anything I've ever heard. He said things that creators are too scared to say. The dopamine is destroying your focus, the comfort is your enemy, that porn is ruining men, that being happy all the time is a lie, and the real fulfillment comes from growth, not pleasure. One quote that changed everything for me, he said, "You're not supposed to be feeling happy all the time. You're supposed to be growing." When I heard that, it felt like he was talking directly to me. Because all the time I've been chasing comfort, not purpose. I was doing everything to avoid pain, not realizing that pain makes you stronger. After that video, I made a choice. I started applying what Hamza was teaching, slowly but seriously. I began waking up earlier, started journaling, going to the gym. I meditated, started saying no to distractions. It wasn't easy. My mind constantly told me to quit, take it easy, go back to comfort. Every time I felt weak, I always went back and remembered Hamza's Jeffrey to Adonis concept. The lazy version of yourself wants pleasure now, and the disciplined version of yourself wants to build the future that you actually want. And every morning I ask myself, am I gonna be a Jeffrey today or an Adonis? Over time, I started seeing changes. My mindset got stronger, my confidence grew naturally, and my focus got sharper. I stopped caring about what others thought and started caring about the man who I was becoming. That's when I understood self improvement is not about becoming perfect, it's about becoming consistent. Hamza told me that the man that you're supposed to be is created through daily habits, not motivation. What I respect about Hamza the most is there's no sugarcoating. He tells men that no one is coming to save you, that your life won't change unless you decide to change it, and that being masculine does not mean being toxic. It means being disciplined, honorable, and capable. These lessons changed how I lived every single day. I became more focused, confident, and grounded in reality. When I see people trying to drag Hamza's name through the dirt, I just think they don't see the full picture. They don't see men that he's helped become more stronger, disciplined, and purposeful. And I'm one of them. Hamza did not just help me become more productive. He helped me become a man who takes responsibility and faces pain, who builds himself every single day. So yeah, Hamza Ahmed has really helped me. Not because he told me what I wanted to hear, but he told me what I needed to hear. He gave me the truth
and it changed my life. If you're watching this and you're feeling lost, start small. Wake up early, hit the gym, read. Do something that builds you instead of draining you. Also, do meditation because the moment you start improving, your life starts to change. I just wanted to give a message to Hamza himself. Thank you. You've helped more people than you realize. Self improvement never ends.